I need that Bubba scale though.
That's pretty cool.
That digital, man, is quick. Well, of course, this one's pretty quick too.
Yeah. I think it is cool.
Brian, I need a net. Here he comes. He's coming. You ready? I need a net. Good little, what do we think, 1.8?
Weighing cool too.
Yeah. All right, you gotta put your guess on. Official guess to get you on camera shot.
Terrible low weights.
All right, Brian guesses 1.5. I guess 1.8. And Brian guessed correctly.
Was it
1.56. All right, adios, amigo. Should I do